Just my way I'm tempted to touch. Oh baby, the dress you wear, your perfume, keep me wanting you so much. Now I can't help thinking of you.
Look at my face, girl. Look at my face, girl. Where will take me far? Is it a little dibby quap? Give me that no. I'm gonna take my far. What do you see? You be the girl I look after. You will start, most and be the paper. You move on to go because me boja. Wine and the wiggle and the look and the turn. Boja. Wine and the wiggle and the look and the turn. Boja. Say step up, because new style for. Step up, me ain't no fool. Step up, new style for. Step up, me boy make them know it will start. Most and be the paper. Hold on, man, let me say that paper.
Personally, professionally, please get me unconditionally. The prettiest girl like a Barbie daddy. I go punch her like my Barbie daddy. Slim and sweet tell them basically. You legalize so we basically. I say that no, me soon get bigger. All I got is an abyss of my destiny.
Stop. Good night, gentle people. If you know wrong, if you preach tonight, say preach. If you know wrong, if you preach tonight, say preach. Alright.
Me a done said be a top flight. You know see me intelligent, you know see me bright.
I got my eyes on you. Everything that I see, I won't show my love and emotion endlessly. I can't
party till the sun comes up, till the sun goes down. All I know is what's moving. You're moving. You must hear and you are moving. Moving. You are telling me about no time for you moving.
Hey yo, Movado, tell him with the shot. Hello. Tell him to straight.
Yeah, all that party, I know. One of me then, none of that talk, so me glad me come out. Ready for them, what you talking about? Road me live, me don't want to see no host. We are rave and I wait, and it's on to go out.
Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Schoy! Yeah! Pick up your girl there, bubble. Good night, gentle people. Wanna enjoy the performance? And my beautiful ladies say hey. And we talk to them, so alright, good. So, we're there and we have a special treat for you tonight. As I'm me alone there. The family them there too. The dance family them first. You understand? Big up my family them in the house. You understand? So tonight is not only special because of that. Tonight is my father's birthday. So awards too, this way there. You there? See me now. Come on stage now, please. Respect and blessings. Even if my father, whoever listens to Flowers Friday, every Friday, knows I'm a big up my father every single Friday. This is how I do it. I love you. Respect and blessings. Thank you for supporting me through the years. Because I'm going to support me no matter what. With my dreams. So.
Friday, my 2-year-old and me and him are going. Mother left when me and him are 2. And me and him. Trust me. I'm proud of my boy. I'm proud of my boy. I'm 4 million going. 4 and give me no trouble. 4. There's a taxi man and me have to dip on the road daily. And I buy a phone, give him and me have one and just communicate by phone. And he don't give me no trouble. I'm proud of my son.
Yo, yes, I can't talk about. Yo, my show. You know what? No. Right, stay off of the stage. Stay off of the stage. Listen up.
What y'all say?
Renee, big up yourself. Thank you very much for this opportunity. But, Dad, tonight at your birthday, just pick a gift. A father. What you want? This you want? This you want? Alright, no problem. Everybody do one thing for me, please, because tonight is very special to me, definitely. Want everybody just wish my father happy birthday. Oh, it's true. Let them love you, respect and blessings all the time, you understand? Yeah, man. So, yeah, man, I will do. Right now, I want to introduce to some of my brother them. You understand? My co-workers them within the dance community. Who that? Now, yo, me big up yourself in there, my entire family there. You understand? I love you. Thanks for the support. I want to bring on my brother them on stage right now. You understand? Them youth here are some of the baddest dancers in a JA right now. My co-workers them. They have a vertical team and elite team. Shoot them. Alright, play a track few, 2. Zip and turn it up. Ready? Ready? Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce you to vertical team! Yeah! 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 Alright then. Oh, it's up. Hey! Alright then. Alright then. You don't want to put old man style. 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 Alright. Alright again. Old man style. Old man. Old man style. Old man. Alright. What do you want to do now? Cheer for the girls, please. Cheer for the girls, cheer for the girls. Cheer for the girls, cheer for the girls. Cheer for the girls, cheer for the girls. Alright. One more time then. Cheer for the girls, cheer for the girls. Cheer for the girls, cheer for the girls. Cheer for the girls. Alright then. Hey! Okay then. Ladies and gentlemen, Riffical team, some of the baddest dancers, them right there on the trouble. And they must take road by staff, international dancers. Listen to them. So, my next group there, my other family them this. My co-workers them. Them name Elite Team. Elite! What you ready? Play the other track. Step out and come do the thing. I dance in Gringo. You dance some Elite Team in Gringo. Alright then. Ready? Everybody.
And for me mind a Monday.
Alright then.
We want to see Monday. We want more than toast blood. Diamond chip for your whole color. And for me mind a
Alright then. Step out.
Jordan pocket no big up, bank up no money no big up. Get a youth like a sweet like cold syrup. Visit you up and you carry come pick up. One day I do a sand do some sit up. Lotion for me skin.
Yo, the gang get them piece of the shoot after me. Shoot after me.
Bring me look music.
Alright.
And I just the best. For me mind a Monday. We want dirty Monday. Saka, we want more than toast lala. Diamond chip for your whole color. All for me mind a Monday.
Big up on yourself, man. Respect, great. Family. Ready now? Deep on your toe. Ready. Split now, you have to split. Yo, people, she did not have presents for that. She don't do nothing yet, no. She don't do nothing yet. How much time I have promoter? I have enough time left, especially. 1 minute. Alright, so just lower the music a little bit for me, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the party of the show name, Social Networking. So, when you can check me out on YouTube, Twitter, or Facebook, Instagram, just type in SCHOY, Schoy, Stewart.